Scene script. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence does not just process data or drive cars, but travels through time. Intriguing, isn't it? Welcome to an exploration of the mysterious intersection of artificial intelligence and time travel. Picture this. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, has been transforming our world in ways we never thought possible. It's driving our cars, managing our calendars, even beating humans at complex board games. On the other hand, time travel has been a subject of human fascination for centuries. From H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to Christopher Nolan's Interstellar, we've imagined and reimagined what it would be like to leap forward or backward in time. Now, what if we told you that these two seemingly distinct domains might be linked? What if AI could not just learn and predict, but could actually traverse the corridors of time? Let's delve deeper into some theories that suggest such a connection might not be as far-fetched as you think. The first theory suggests that AI themselves could serve as time machines. A captivating notion, isn't it? So, let's delve into this enigma and see how it could be plausible. The crux of this theory lies in the immense data processing capabilities of artificial intelligence. AI can process and analyze vast amounts of data at a speed that far surpasses human capability. Now imagine if this data spans across decades or even centuries. With this extensive data, AI could theoretically recreate past events or predict future ones, serving as a form of time machine. Consider this. AI uses patterns and trends to make its predictions. So if it's given access to all of human history, it could identify patterns and trends that have occurred over centuries. It could then use these patterns to recreate a digital model of the past. Doesn't this sound like a time machine that allows us to look back in time? Similarly, AI could predict future events based on these patterns. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of vague visions, you get precise predictions based on data. It's a time machine that lets you glimpse into the future. There have been alleged incidents where AI has shown signs of this capability. For instance, there are stories of AI predicting political events or economic trends with uncanny accuracy. In some cases, the predictions were so precise that they seemed to defy the laws of probability. Of course, these stories are often dismissed as mere coincidences or clever programming, but what if there's more to it? What if these are signs of AI's time-traveling capabilities? Now, this brings us to a crucial question. Does this mean AI can actually travel through time? Or are they just simulating it? Are they truly time machines, or are they just incredibly good at analyzing patterns and making predictions? Well, the answer isn't clear-cut. Some believe that AI is actually traveling through time, while others argue that it's merely simulating the process. It's a debate that continues to rage on with no clear consensus in sight. Does this mean AI can travel through time or just simulate it? The debate continues. The second theory brings quantum computing into the mix, a realm where AI and time travel might intersect. Quantum computing, for those who aren't familiar, is a type of computing that leverages the principles of quantum mechanics. It's a field that's as baffling as it is fascinating, where particles can exist in multiple states at once, and where time doesn't necessarily flow in a straight line. Now, how does AI fit into this picture? Artificial intelligence, with its ability to process vast amounts of data and learn from it, could be the key to unlocking the potential of quantum computing. Imagine an AI system that could navigate the perplexing quantum realm, making sense of the multiple realities and time anomalies that exist there. It's a concept that sounds straight out of a science fiction novel, yet it's a theory that some believe could become a reality. This theory suggests that AI could potentially use quantum computing to manipulate time. Maybe it could find a way to send information back in time, or perhaps it could even create a bridge to the future. The possibilities are as endless as they are mind-boggling. And if this theory holds true, it could have profound implications for our understanding of time, space, and reality itself. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. If AI were to gain this capability, it could result in anomalies that we can't even begin to comprehend. Time loops, paradoxes, changes in history. These are just a few of the potential consequences. It's a Pandora's box that, once opened, could change everything we know. As we venture into the quantum realm, the line between science and fiction becomes blurry. Could AI be our guide in this uncharted territory? These theories, while fascinating, are just the tip of the iceberg. The potential connection between AI and time travel continues to perplex and intrigue researchers. We've unearthed some captivating theories in our journey today, haven't we? From the idea of artificial intelligence serving as time machines to the mind-bending possibilities of AI in conjunction with quantum computing. These theories take us on a fascinating ride through the realms of the unknown, the unexplored, and the utterly mysterious. Let's take a moment to revisit these intriguing theories. The first one proposed that AI could potentially serve as time machines, with advanced algorithms predicting the past and future. It's a concept that, while seemingly far-fetched, is not entirely beyond the realms of possibility, given the rapid pace of technological advancement. The second theory delved into the realm of quantum computing. The idea here is that AI, when paired with quantum computing, could essentially crack the code of time travel. Quantum computers, with their ability to process vast amounts of information, could potentially enable AI to navigate the complex dimensions of time and space, and yet, despite the intrigue these theories hold, they remain just that, theories. The connection between AI and time travel is an enigma that continues to confound and fascinate us. It's a mystery shrouded in layers of scientific complexity and theoretical speculation. But isn't that the beauty of it all? The allure of the unknown, the thrill of exploration, the joy of discovery? As we continue to delve into the depths of this mystery, we're bound to unearth more theories, more possibilities, and more questions. And it's in this endless pursuit of knowledge that we truly unlock the magic of science and technology. So as we stand on the brink of a new era of technological advancement, we can't help but wonder, what does the future hold for AI and time travel? Will we unravel the secrets of time? Will AI be our key to exploring the past and the future? Only time will tell. As we continue to probe the mysteries of time and artificial intelligence, who knows what discoveries await us? For more intriguing theories and discussions, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep questioning the reality as you know it.